more than simply a cosmetic update. The 2026 Kia Picanto GT-Line Facelift proves that small urban mobility doesn't have to sacrifice style for sophistication, adding a touch of premium refinement and a burst of excitement to an otherwise functional class. The GT-Line Facelift elevates a simple city car to a beautiful, tech-savvy companion befitting the fast-paced city streets. A new Picanto has arrived and is prepared to take the lead in its class. Inspired by Kia's larger, award-winning electric vehicle models, the 2026 Picanto GT-Line Facelift's most catching feature is its daring, futuristic look. In every way, the revised GT-Line embodies Kia's daring aesthetic. A reworked front fascia showcases an aggressively repositioned tiger nose grille that harmonizes with the brand new vertical LED headlight design, an eye-catching addition to any cityscape. The star map LED DRLs make a bold statement. The aggressive spirit of the GT-Line is immediately apparent in its unique bumper design, which features bigger air intakes and sharper creases. To further emphasize its grounded and athletic stance, the new diamond-cut alloy wheels with GT-Line designed precisely fill the wheel wells. To replicate the refined lighting characteristic of Kia's larger vehicles, the back has been updated with full-width LED taillights that are visibly linked across the tailgate, with the elimination of visible exhaust tips for a cleaner, more modern finish. The aggressive yet refined style is finished off by a revised, sportier rear bumper that features a discreet diffuser. The 2026 Picanto GT-Line may look intimidating from the outside, but under the skin, it's still a lively driver's car. With responsive handling in the city and surprising calmness on the highway, a 1.2-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine with 83 PS 62 kilowatts and 122 Newton-meters of torque powers the GT-Line. You can confidently merge into traffic and maneuver around city streets when you pair this engine with a smooth 4-speed automatic or a precise 5-speed manual transmission. Everyday dependability and fuel efficiency are two areas in which this dependable unit shines. A more direct and engaging ride quality is the result of the GT-Line's finely adjusted suspension and steering. Its small size and remarkable turning radius give it remarkable agility, enabling it to effortlessly navigate congested streets and park and even the most confined areas. With only a few tweaks to the engine control and exhaust systems, the 2026 model keeps its stellar fuel economy, guaranteeing cheap operating expenses. Entering the 2026 Picanto GT-Line, a redesign for the model year, reveals an exceptionally well-appointed and technologically a sophisticated cabin that excels in its segment. A number of unique materials, including as premium leatherette upholstery with contrast stitching, pedals with a metallic appearance, and gloss black accents across the dashboard and door trims,